In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cards in Trello. While Trello doesn't have a single merge button, you can combine two cards by moving everything you need into one main card and then archiving the extra one. I'll walk you through a clean, reliable process that keeps your board organized and prevents lost details. Start by choosing which card you want to keep. This is your main card. Open it first so it's ready to receive the information. If you're unsure which one to keep, pick the card with the more complete description, the richer activity history, or the URL you've already shared with your team. Keeping that familiar link can save confusion later. Next, open the other card, ideally in a separate tab or window so you can glance between them. You're going to copy over its details, the title if it's better, the description or any keynotes, checklists, due dates, labels, members, and attachments. For descriptions, highlight the text and copy it so you can paste it into the main card's description, either replacing what's there or adding it underneath with a short divider for clarity. For checklists, use the card's more options to copy the checklist name and items, then add them to the main card so nothing falls through the cracks. If there are duplicates, you can quickly remove or consolidate overlapping items. For attachments, you can download and reattach them, or copy the link and add it via the attach feature. Comments can't be moved automatically, so summarize any important decisions or context and paste that summary into the main card's description, or add a note so the discussion isn't lost. Now paste everything into the main card in a tidy way. Keep the description readable, add or merge checklists, set the due date, apply labels, and add members who should be notified. Trello auto-saves as you type, so you won't need a save button here. Still, it's smart to pause for a moment and confirm everything's stuck. Look for the saved indicator on the description, check that the due date shows on the front of the card, verify attachments open, and make sure labels and members appear as expected. You can also scan the activity feed to see your updates listed. Once you're confident the main card has everything, open the extra card and archive it. Archiving removes it from the board without clutter, keeping your workspace focused. That's it, your cards are effectively merged, and your team can move forward with a single complete source of truth.